How to start Forex trading right now. In the past years, I've always encouraged people to understand the FX market. That's the acronym for Forex trading. Actually, FX means foreign exchange. And today in this video, I want to share with you guys how you can get started. If you've been hearing Forex trading, people are making money from Forex trading, people are becoming millionaires with Forex trading, people are making money, you can make money with your phone using Forex trading, all of those stuff. I'm going to break it down in this video. I'm going to discover how we can start. The first question I want to ask is, Joshua, do you trade the FX market? Yeah, I trade the FX market. I actually just come here to teach you people what I do myself, what I've researched myself, and also what I've seen myself. So basically, in this video, I'm going to show you how to start Forex trading as a beginner and then get up to speed. This video is going to be an entry point for you in the Forex trading career path, okay? Now, first of all, what is Forex trading? Forex trading is a word used to, is a word for foreign exchange trading. What we actually do in Forex trading, as it is called, the Forex is foreign exchange. That's what it means. So in foreign exchange, basically what we do is that we exchange national currencies to another. That means I can exchange US dollar to euro. I can exchange US dollar to Great Britain pounds. I can exchange US dollar to Japanese yen. I can exchange US dollars to whichever other currency out there. The goal is to hedge against loss and against economic downtime. So for different reasons, people actually do this foreign exchange. Some persons do it for travel purposes. They want to travel to a particular country. They use the FX market to change the currency. For tourism and for all of those things. But at the same time, it can also be leveraged on to make money. Understanding how the economy of these different currencies work and at what state they are, and how to hedge your money in another currency against another currency and stay profitable. And this is like the idea, the foundation, the basics of Forex trading. Now, in this video, my goal is to show you how to get started. So I'm going to start by telling you the honest truth. If you are watching this video and your goal is to become an overnight success as a Forex trader, hold on. You are about to fail. Now, Forex trading is profitable, but it will have to take you time to learn the process. You don't wake up into being profitable. You have to learn. The market will have to teach you. The more you stay in the market and understand the market, the more your profit margin would increase. The more you are disciplined enough to learn from your mistakes, the more your profit margin will increase. And the honest truth, I must put this first of all, if I start teaching you Forex trading, is that you will lose money, and of course, if you do it right, you will make money. But what makes the outstanding Forex traders or the pro Forex traders outstanding is because they make more than they lose. That doesn't mean they don't lose money at all. Most of them lose thousands of dollars in a single trade. Some of them lose hundreds of thousands of dollars in a single trade. But what makes them pro Forex traders is that the money they make in profit overall is always greater than the money they lose in the market. So would you lose a trade? Yes, you will lose. Yes, you will lose. Would you make money? Yes, if you do it right, you make money. And if you do it right consistently, you make more money than you will lose. And then you will also become a profitable Forex trader. Now, if this is your first time hearing about it, or you just want to get started, I want to show you the path step by step. The first thing you want to do is to understand that the money you have now and the money you want to use to start Forex trading is just a little percentage of the money that is moved in the Forex market. That means that trillions of dollars is being moved into this market. People are exchanging every single day of the week, from Monday to the Friday when the market opens and closes. But the money you have, I'm sure you don't have up to $50 million to trade right now. If you are starting newly, I wouldn't even encourage you to start with $50 million. So we are basically even called retail traders. Retail traders are people that come in with little chunks of money, maybe $2,000, $10,000, $50,000, $100,000, maybe even $1 million. We are all retail traders. And then we come into the market to play with the big guys that have big volume of money. So we have a lot of retail traders. And because the volume of capital you have is small, we will need the help of a broker. Broker are basically, ideally, what we now call platforms, right? Forex trading platforms that we can use to place our trade and take profit and withdraw our money. So these brokers vary. There are a lot of them out there. This video is not for me to like talk about them, but I'm going to basically talk about one that you can start with, which is of course one that I also use myself, Top FX. Now the link of this platform will be on my description. Just in case you're already on my blog, there is a blog article I've written about this, and I've also included the link there for you to get started, right? That link will give you leverage to register, create an account, have a demo account, and continue. I will explain all of these things later on, right? So then a broker is a platform that gives you the opportunity to bring in your small inflow of money, as well as the money all other people who are using the platform are bringing in. They use it to place those trades for you because you're a retail trader. Now, when you have chosen a broker, there are millions. I don't know, let me not say millions. There are hundreds and hundreds of brokers out there for different countries, and some of them work globally for everybody across the world. But for you to use these brokers, you just have to create an account and use it. There is no special process to it. And when you've chosen a broker, like I said, I recommend TopFX because that's what I use at the time. I might decide to change tomorrow, who knows? But that's what I use at the time. And when you have a broker, you create an account. There are two things you must know if you are a newbie. Your job is to first use a demo account. I'll be showing you guys that subsequently in the next video, where I'll do hands-on deck practical example and we'll play some trades together. What you want to do at that phase is to use a demo account and experiment what you've learned. And just in case you're looking for where to get more information, take a free program that will teach you step by step, I would recommend you go to babypips.com. The link will also be in the description of this video. Now, babypips.com is a platform that gives you enough quality education from amateur to pro level on things you need to know about Forex trading. All you just need to do is to be diligent enough to read through. And of course, subsequently, I'll be making more videos around Forex trading, so you get to learn more on my channel, which is enough reason for you to subscribe, like this video, and turn on the notification bell for yourself and also for your own good, because you're going to learn a lot in my channel right here. So when you've chosen a broker, you use your demo account to play around. They are basically trading applications like the MT4, MT5, and of course there is the C Trader. So if you have a mobile phone, you can install the C Trader, where you'll be making those trades, all of these trading applications and software, C Trader or MT5 or MT4, whichever one you are cool with. Basically, the major thing is staying profitable at the end of the day. For me, I prefer C Trader because C Trader is way easier and direct to the point and so user friendly. I love C Trader actually. It's just a personal preference. So you could install C Trader and connect it with your broker, right? And use. I'll be showing you examples of all of these things in my next video. But for you to basically start up, the first thing I would recommend for you with the information you have now is first, go to babypips.com and learn. Secondly, start paying attention to two fundamental things that guide the Forex trading market. Number one is fundamental analysis and technical analysis. This also applies to even crypto trading. Fundamental analysis is trading, placing a trade with news and event. Technical analysis is placing a trade from the chart pattern, the pattern of candlesticks on the chart. For beginners, I don't want to dive into the chart system and start showing candlesticks. We'll do all of those examples and illustration later on. But for a start, you want to pay attention to knowing that there is a fundamental analysis you can do and also a technical analysis you can do to make your decision on whether to buy a particular national currency or not to buy it, or whether to sell this one or not to buy it. So ideally, what you want to do basically now is to pick a broker, recommended broker, TopFX. Next step, go to babypips.com, learn and understand. Then in my next video, which of course you should be looking out for, I'll be diving into the raw practical. We will be attempting to analyze the market. We'll be attempting to use fundamental analysis and technical analysis to buy into a particular market using a demo account, and then we'll grow together and start using a live account. But for now, focus more on using a demo account. Demo account will give you capital, but that doesn't really exist. You can't withdraw it, but you have money to trade the market, to learn it effectively. So in my next video, we'll jump right in on diving into how to place trade, what to do before you place a trade, how to exit a trade, and how to stay profitable overall. If this video is helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe and share this video with your friends, and see you in my next video.